So new Suburban just got dropped off. Well, not the parts Suburban. This is it. And you see, it looks paint-wise good, but I got that. Got some paint wheels, and like I said, it's parts. And this really turned me off about this one. Just how trifling it is. Analyzed thing is very trifling. Which the thing is, I'm not touching nothing on the inside because it's not what I bought it for. Boom, boom on the door. Ugh, definitely leaking somewhere in here on the damn windshield. So it's trifling. It's just like, yeah, I know I don't want this. I need to get this going as fast as possible. This is what I bought it for right here, the front end. The front end is good. I thought it was better, but the hood got some dings in it, which really doesn't matter because my hood's torched. So I'm gonna take all that off. Bumper, I don't need him, leave it on. I might take the wheels. This fender's good. A little rot on this side. Door handle's going. I don't like overview this thing. I don't know why. Same thing as mine, but just trifling. Open this door real quick. I say this thing's just trifling inside. Door handle. Quote unquote, this is how many miles the tile says, so I don't think that works. Or if I don't think that's the actual mileage. I ain't never see with the airbag. That looks crazy. Airbag in it. He has some system in, my brother said. My brother said he pulled up. I wasn't here when he dropped it off, but he pulled up, yanked a whole bunch of bullshit out of it, yanked the system out, and just left. So, when somebody pulls up and drops the cars off and is yanking shit out while they're selling it to you, it's a piece of shit, to be honest with you. That's how you fully know. So, besides the fact that it's being a piece of shit, and I think these brake lines is definitely different. Man, that kind of sucks, but yeah. He said the motor is locked up or something. I don't know. Something wrong with the motor, I think. And I had no interest in this motor because I got mine still. All I need is everything in the front and in front. That's all I need. This thing's scrapped. And the thing's paying like somebody put a motor in, aka put a bad motor in, I think. I don't know. Ain't my problem, which it is my problem, but I already don't care, so I just really don't care, to be honest with you. Sorry about the no process, but told you here and all that, but got this fender off. It ain't like a striker. Got the other fender off. Might get the core support off. It's about to be fully stripped. I'm putting my old wheels back on it and taking the wheels because that's gonna be different, I guess. I don't like them that much, being dirt bike. Fender, hood. Oh damn, dents in it, man. It's gonna drive me insane. And the fenders and the other fender. That didn't. No, what's that? So yeah, let me get to it, man. Get to take this core support off and drain this right here. Car. Got the core support off. Yeah. Steering up the strip. All loaded still. See the gallons of coolant. Got it right. See how bad the rod is. About that side. What a bullet hole at? It's a rock check. Rock check. It's looking solid. Hold on. Pull on it. Sometimes you gotta work it out, man. Just gotta get up there. I'll throw you back out. See the carbon fiber has fucking less weight. So look at the arm trim. Look at the trim. Oh, body weight's going. Now what's just that, but it's gonna go everywhere.
Weight reduction.
Alright, see somebody already slashed our tires around some bullshit.
Alright, you got
the ball mark, so it's even better.
Wolverine got the car.
Aftermath of me getting to it. I do not know what any of that is, city. I don't know what happened. That does not involve me. I was there before I put this there. So yeah. Showing this thing. Well, I'll take that brake thing off there because dude's about to come scrap this thing. This door is open. You can see what's been happening to it. 2 lug nuts. And always glue your trash. I want to fill it up with all my scrap stuff too. Just want to go on rust test. Wait, sorry.
Yeah, ain't it?
Yeah. Usual. Alright, my change has been through. Get this hood off, so. Thing is always fucking. I should never put the bumper on first. I will say. Wait. God, don't play dummy. Oh, it's that one little boat again. God damn it. Talk about that one boat. throw the fender on. Like I said, none of it's lined up because I still got to put this core support on. But for right now, I just want to get this hood on. And it lines up pretty good. Like I said, I got to paint it still. I got a new door, but it's coming back together. Check that all down. This side. Got this side up right. So I finished up, man. This video is not really how I wanted to end it, but you know, I got to because I don't really like how the footage and I kind of skipped a couple things out. So I'm just end it where I did. And next one, you know, put the body panels on. I'm already saying it, but I'm gonna drop it 2 days after I drop this one. So it's gonna be, yeah, I'm gonna just drop it because it does play a part along with rebuilding it, but I really don't want to drop it, but I got to. Like I said, 2 days I'll drop the other one and shit. We'll see how it looks and goes. Appreciate y'all for watching, you know. Wait till part 4, 2 days, simple. Hit the comments, let me know what y'all think. Appreciate it, everything.